We allowed those, okay? So then we
It
came
doesn't
down
state
here,
anywhere else that they're not.
we took out the 15% for the B and C. We added 5% back for secondary income. Then we took out 5% for management off the EGI. We included his property taxes. We didn't allow his depreciation. We didn't allow that travel expense. We counted his insurance. We're good with staff salaries. Customer gifts, it's from a different problem, but no customer gifts. We counted his utilities. We didn't allow his income tax. This is a pool, actually. We didn't count that pool. Should make this not allowed. This over here was a pool, wasn't it? We didn't allow that. Then we came down here, we allowed his supplies. As an example, my structure manual didn't allow supplies. It told us previously allowed a supply, miscellaneous of 2,000. So we did his reserve for replacements here. We took the 15 divided by 25,000, gives us a 16,667 allowance there. Roof was 35,000 for 20 years without a 1750. Painting was RCN of $12,000 a year. We came up with total expenses of $151,663, where he had $281,738. He showed an NOI of $35,000, negative $35,000. We're showing a positive $67,000, and it told us to do what? Cap that at 14%. We get a value like $484,150. The main thing is to pay attention to expenses that are allowable and are not allowable. That is always the big question, isn't it? Is that clear as mud? Work your question number 11, if you will, please. Does anybody want an income cheat sheet? What is it? I'll get them printed at lunch too, okay? All it is a little bundle of band of investment. It's just copy and paste out of my book. It shows you examples of all those problems we just did. And it kind of throws it into a snapshot of just how you might look at it. It's just kind of condensed in about 3.5 pages. The only ones that come back after lunch are the level, who's level 4? Huh? You? Just you.
Just me?
You're the Lone Ranger in Tonto then, okay?
So we're not supposed to,
Huh?
we don't come back?
You can.
It's math and law, which is on the level 4 test, not on the level 3 test. You're welcome to come back. If you want to. You're more than welcome to. But it's only going to affect the level 4. Now, I'm kind of like you. My head's fluttering already. So let's cut off what we can. But anyway, it's a level 4 review after lunch for math and law. And tomorrow morning at 8:30, we're starting our practice test, okay? You want your practice test now? Huh?
That'd be nice.
Okay. Gives you a little bit of a, we'll just give you something to start thinking about.
No pressure.
Or you can work it on plain paper tomorrow, work it in class, okay?
Yeah.
This is the level 4 now, by the way. But listen to me. You're going to do all the parts of the math and the law, okay? And the reason I do the 4, tomorrow we talk about it, we're all on the same page. In the past, there was 2 different tests. I'm talking to you about 3 and her about 4 at the same time. It didn't work. I'll lose some.
It tells us, I guess, which one
Huh?
It tells us which one are math.
It's by section, yes. And we'll work,
Is it
we'll,
tests like that?
No.
huh?
Is it tests like that? Will it have like, all right, these are your 5 ethics questions?
My understanding
No?
is that when you get to your level exams, it won't tell you title-wise, but they are bunched together now. There was a
Are they,
ti-
did they finally do that?
Yes.
Oh, good.
There was a time they was all scattered out.
Yes.
Yeah, I was scattered.
Now they've lobbied and got them back into groups, okay?
Okay.
So you're not having to do a
Oh.
effective gross income question on number 3 and number
Yeah.
96.
Yes, yes.
So
they-
are these like your practice tests on the spreadsheet, or is this
copy
Right.
of the real test, okay? These are sample questions for you to study.
I've just been doing the online, I've done some.
Online is simply the same questions, yes.
It's the same as this?
Actually, the older version, but the same questions have been transferred into here. 90% of them are the same, okay?
Okay.
So what happens though, nobody has a copy of the test, but yes, it allows us to practice problems to learn the content. So when we have the test, we should be able to look at the question, even though it's worded funny, okay, what is it, what's the question it asks me? Okay, I know that question from some other question, but it's worded different. I should be able to think through it, okay? Does that make sense? What's that last problem there? If you will, please. I'll have your income copy in the morning for your, just your kind of fly over. Work that question 11, we'll go to lunch. And I'll see you about 1 o'clock, will be okay? The rest of you can study. You're welcome to come back if you want to listen to the math a little bit. If you think your review is going to be in the next 6 months, you're not going to have no chance to do another review. You might hang around for the math and the law if you want to, but you're not required to.